Delicioso. Chef Mom.
Chef Mom and her. 2 thumbs up. Hey.
Wish I had 3.
You just leave this up to me. I can show you the world. We can go through it all. You just leave it up to me. Take a trip to the stars. I can show you it all. You just leave it up to me. I can show you the world. We can go through it all. You just leave this up to me. Take a trip to the stars. I can show you it all. Yeah.
What's poppin', M gang? We back with another
Video.
Hey, and we in the kitchen with it. I'm on a little, I ain't gonna call it a diet. I'm on a lifestyle change. I'm changing my life around. I'm about to be 30 years old, whether you believe it or not. I know I look glorious.
He's about to be an old man.
This is like my favorite meal of anything healthy that we have ever cooked. This is Chanel's famous zucchini pasta.
It's zucchini lasagna.
Lasagna.
He doesn't even like meatballs.
What?
You don't.
All right, listen, you guys. So without further ado, we about to get started. Make sure you hit that like. Make sure you hit that subscribe, because we are back like we never left. You feel me?
Back in the building.
First things first, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna start chopping my onion, my half onion.
Onion.
So I'm gonna heat my pan, put it on like a medium, and I'm gonna start chopping my onion. And usually I use like a whole onion, but I'm just using what I got. And if you anything like me, this should take about 30 seconds to chop. My family always asking me to chop something. It's so annoying. I don't like it. I don't like chopping, but I do it. Okay, so now my onion is chopped. My pan is heating up. I'm too quick. See, my pan ain't even hot enough yet. That's the problem.
Daddy,
We're gonna clean as we go.
Daddy, we didn't tell them the special.
Oh yeah, we forgot to tell y'all. We had an official
It's gone. Oh, it's still.
snow day. Need some big flakes, y'all.
I know. Look at that one.
Shoo-shoo.
Look at that one.
I'm telling you.
Oh my gosh.
So we putting a little olive oil in the pan. I'm gonna put my onions in the pan.
Ain't no sizzle.
It's okay. Turn that up a little. You don't want to burn the onions. You just want to saute them a little bit. I'm just separating the onions a little bit while they cook. Might need to pause again.
That's the sound we're looking for right there, y'all. I had to turn up the heat for it, help out a little bit.
You don't have to say all that.
Oh, my bad.
You don't have to say all that.
My bad.
All right, so y'all hear the sizzle. You smell the onions. They cooking.
Smells scrumptious.
So once they cook, I let them cook for like 5 minutes maybe. And then we're gonna add the meat. So now I'm gonna open up my Italian sausage. And we're gonna just plop it in there. And I use this whole thing.
Such a terrible word to use while cooking. You just go plop it.
Alright, we're gonna put it in the pan. So I like to chop my meat up a little bit before I season it. Just so that flavor get in there. I like to start with my onion powder and my garlic powder. So these holes are much bigger.
Gotta be careful.
I do like 3 little shakes. I don't really measure how much
That's gotta be about a
teaspoon maybe?
Yeah, I would say maybe like a half a teaspoon.
A half?
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know either. I never measure my food, never. Just season it to how y'all like it. That's what I do.
Season it as if you like seasoning some spaghetti. Most people done made some spaghetti before.
I add a little bit of salt. I use the one that you, the grinder. So about five. And then paprika. So we like to use Rayo sauce because it is low in calories and carbs, and it tastes mad good.
Yeah, it tastes pretty good.
It's pretty good, and it don't have a lot of ingredients at all.
We use it every time we make spaghetti.
So I'm gonna put a little in here.
A little chunky, ain't it?
It is chunky. It is.
Delicioso.
Now that the sauce is done, we're gonna put it to the side.
Okay. Okay.
Sheesh.
Now I'm gonna preheat my oven to 375. And I am going to wash my zucchinis.
Chef Mom.
Chef Mom in the house. Chef Mom in the house.
Hey.
These were freshly grown in our garden. I wish. Just joking.
Oh, yesterday was Alan's birthday. Happy birthday, Alan and Nadia. Hey!
All right, y'all. So now we're gonna cut these zucchinis up. I like to cut the tops off and the bottom. I just sliced these as best as I could because they're mad hard to slice. I'm not even gonna lie. Sometimes that happens, y'all, but it's okay. It'll all go together. What happened is, you see how it cut?
Oh,
It don't have to be perfect because it's all getting thrown together, to be honest.
I see.
And these are very hard to cut. And on the last one, I usually kind of...
Uh-oh. This ain't for you newcomers in the cutting game. You gotta wear your cut glove for this.
No, for real. Honestly, the first time I made this, I had a cut glove on. Can't lie.
Watch those fingers.
I know.
What is you doing?
Nothing.
All right, y'all. So after you have your sliced up zucchini, we're gonna get just a flat cookie sheet and get some parchment paper. Or you could just put it right on the cookie sheet, but I like to use the parchment paper. You're gonna just put your zucchinis right on top. We're gonna put this in the oven and you only put it in the oven for like 10 minutes. Just really just to let it dry out, because then if you cook the lasagna like that, it'll be too watery. minutes. So we're gonna use about a cup altogether of ricotta cheese. This is half a cup. And it don't really matter how much you use, but a cup is good for the 1 egg. So I'm gonna crack an egg, put it in there. I'm gonna use a little bit of salt. Sprinkle it with some pepper.
Ooh.
And I like to use some parsley. And oregano. Now I'm gonna use some Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese.
I like Parmesan.
And this gives it some good flavor.
Big
So,
chungus.
I like cheese, so I just put how much cheese I like. All right, now we're gonna give this a good mix. And that's it, y'all. That's your ricotta cheese. Ricotta. And honestly, I don't like ricotta cheese, but when you put all that other stuff in there, it makes it so good.
How that smell to you?
Like cheese.
Now it's time for the cheese, baby.
Cheese is my favorite.
So you guys can get bag cheese if you want, but I like to shred my own. It's just better. It tastes better. It melts better. It's just better. I got Monterey Jack, I got Kobe, and I got sharp cheddar.
Like Kobe Bryant.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Wow.
I forgot to tell you guys last time, but you want to just get some olive oil and pour it on top of the zucchinis.
This your finished product right here?
Yep.
What?
Thank you. Can you open this, baby?
It's gonna be real easy, you guys. Hear that? When you hear that, that's how you know the can ready. Watch this.
Alright, so first I like to put some sauce at the bottom of the pan. Now we're gonna start layering our lasagna pieces, or our zucchini pieces, like lasagna. These little pieces come in handy for the little spaces. Alright, so now we take our ricotta. I'm just gonna dollop it all over. Take that meat that we made earlier. And I usually make like a 2-layer, and it don't gotta be that thick, like regular lasagna. All right, now for the cheese. I just take handfuls of all the cheese.
Sushi.
It already looks so good, you guys.
It looks ready.
And I probably cut too much zucchini, but it's okay. It usually just depends on the size of the zucchini. I usually use 4, but those are 4 pretty big ones, so. All right, y'all. This is the last layer.
Plop, plop.
Dollop, dollop.
That is how it's supposed to look.
So now we're gonna just throw this in the oven, y'all, at 400. Let the cheese melt, and it's done. Try to tell y'all.
That's the one.
That's it.
Yes. All right, you guys. It's time for me to get my grub on. I'm about to smash this. It's about to be delicious. You need some hot sauce if you're anything like me.
You don't. Tony puts hot sauce on anything before he even tastes it. I don't understand.
Yes, sir.
Taste it first.
Y'all want me to give y'all a little taste test? All right, hold on 1 second. I'll be right back.
Cholula.
The best of the best. Only mess with the best of the best. All right, you guys. This is it.
It's hitting, babe.
Delicious. See that cheese connecting? That's how you know it's real. Y'all gotta try this. Y'all gotta try this. When I tell you, it don't even, no zucchini. I don't even know what zucchini tastes like, but it don't taste like zucchini. Y'all, this right here different. This is it. This the one.
2 thumbs up. Hey.
Wish I had 3. A1, you guys. All right. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.